here. Welcome back to another vlog. I did it. I made it. I did it. Finally this week, getting my happy ass together to do this thing. Been rough. It's not really. Mentally rough. It's been an interesting week. As you guys are watching this, it is my birthday today. 54 years old. Yep. Old man Rivet is officially a thing. Age is just a number, right? So, but yeah, Saturday, July 30th is my birthday. So we're doing this today. It's out taking a walk. One of my favorite little areas. I love this park down by the train tracks. I've been down here before. I like coming here. Reminds me of my grandfather. So I mentioned it in the past. He used to work on the railroad, on the rail lines in Prince Edward Island. So makes me happy to come to a happy place. But yeah, everything is going pretty good. Don't have any complaints to be real. It's been a busy week. I'm recording this on Thursday, which I tend to do. I tried to record it earlier this week. I got caught in a rainstorm while recording. And I wasn't too sure about today because it was raining earlier today. I had to go out. I bought myself a couple of birthday presents. I don't really give a shit about my birthday. I don't care for presents from anybody. You know, I don't care if people say hi or anything. It's never really mattered to me. But I did buy myself a treat. One of them here is a new phone. I got a Pixel 6a. So I got that today. See? We can probably see the date and time. It's 5:10 on the 28th. So PM, that is. I got caught in the rainstorm. I went to go pick this up today. I'd ordered it, and it's supposed to be delivered yesterday. And my doorbell is broken, obviously, because I'm an idiot. So I got an email from UPS saying that they're dropping it off at a pickup point. So I had to go over there at lunchtime today to pick it up. That's when I got caught in the rain. So that was fun. I actually didn't mind. I don't mind the rain. It's beautiful. It's nice. That's one of two presents I bought for myself. The other one was stupid, but with good meaning and good reasons. So it kind of leads to what I'm going to discuss about my future. One of the things I've wanted to get, no you don't. The screen keeps on trying to dim and I keep on telling it not to. But for whatever reason, this thing doesn't agree with me. I think it's because it thinks it's going to overheat. Or okay, it's only 28 degrees centigrade right now. So, I don't know. 80 something. Hot. But there is a breeze, so it's okay. But anyway, the other thing that I ordered for myself, and it has arrived yesterday as well, was I ordered a drone from, well, it's partially for the channel, partially for me, because I'm a kind of I like toys, right? I like tech, always have. Been fascinated by getting a drone for a couple of years. I thought, you know what, that's going to add a nice little something extra to the channel. You know, since I've been getting the bicycling footage, I thought, some drone footage would be nice too. So I ordered it, and it arrived. Idiot me forgot to take a look at what the restrictions are on it. So I was getting it all ready yesterday, downloaded the app to my phone. I got the DJI Mini 2, if you're curious. I got the Fly More kit. It was 600 and change Canadian. Amazon had a deal, so paid over monthly installments, like 100 and change a month. So, you know, it's better than having one lump sum. So I was like, okay, for me, for a treat, I want it. So anyway, getting it all set up, I thought I better go take a look and see what the restrictions are. Thinking, I just was looking at the flying restrictions, right? The height, how high it can go, which in Canada is 120 meters apparently, which would be great if I was allowed to fly it here. Where I'm at in Toronto, the entire area is a no-fly zone. I don't live too far away from Pearson International Airport, the big airport here in Toronto. There are a lot of drone laws in this country, which I'm all for. I'm not going to complain. You're not going to hear a complaint out of me about that here. So this is if you think I'm going to be bitching about it, no. I get it. I don't want to cause people harm. So they have restrictions on it for proximities to airports and helicopter landing pads and whatnot. So where I'm at is basically a hot zone for all of it. And yes, I'm keeping my eyes out for the bees. They're here again. But I thought with it being warmer, there wouldn't be so many of them. I was wrong. I'm just not running again. Watching that footage back was kind of hilarious. Fat man. So anyway, yeah. So I can't fly it here. There is one spot down by the waterfront in Etobicoke. It's kind of like in a cross pattern between a couple of zones that I might be able to get to. So I'm going to try to do that this weekend. I'm going to go down there. It's a fair chunk away from me. So I'm like, ugh. But anyway, this has sparked a decision on me. Most people would think, okay, you can't fly your drone, so return it. That would be what a logical person would do. That's not me. I don't have much in the way of logic. I just decided, it's like, you know what? I'm not happy. I don't like being where I'm at. I don't fit into Toronto much anymore. I don't fit into the city culture, the lifestyle. I've been craving less people. I'm wearing this still because of the fact that here in the city, the numbers are skyrocketing again. We're on our 7th wave. And it's like, the media obviously has gotten tired of it. People have gotten tired of it. And I get it. I'm not going to add to it. But I'm going to be doing what I do for my own safety. And like I have friends that, gone out to concerts, caught it. Gone out to dinner, caught it. It's like, it's kind of like a mindset of, I'm just going to accept it, I'm going to get it type of thing for a lot of folks. And I can't do that. So I looked, there's a whole bunch of sections in Canada, in Ontario, that I can fly, but it's outside the city. So I started looking for an apartment out of the city. Now, I don't know if and when it's going to happen with it, but it's a plan. I always like serendipity, things happening for a reason. Me moving to Toronto happened serendipitously, and I don't regret that move at all. I'm very thankful to be able to be here. I do love a lot of the city, but current lifestyle for me, I mean, even without a pandemic, I'm not too sure how much I would be into this city. I don't drink, I don't party, I don't go out. I do enjoy food. I would have enjoyed restaurants and stuff, but it's expensive here. It's expensive to go out and eat anywhere, so, and I don't date, I don't do that stuff, so it's like, so it's like, I look at it, it's like, I'm a bit of a hermit, thank you. I don't know why I do this road all the time. So yeah, like I said, I'm a bit of a hermit anyway. So I'm kind of okay with not being surrounded by people. I don't need it. And that's the one thing about this whole shoot match that I'm thankful for, is that I've come to the realization about myself, about what I can do, what I can handle, and where my comfort zone is. 3 years ago, what I thought was my comfort zone, I was wrong. I didn't know myself well enough. And that's the thing I've done over the past couple of years, is I've learned a lot more about myself. And I like who I am. You know, I like the me that has come around after this pandemic. I enjoy it. I like the fact that I'm not, I don't need people. I don't need to be surrounded by people to be happy. I don't need to work in an office. I work better at home by myself, like exponentially better. My productivity on any given day is so much better than it ever was before. And if you hear wind, I apologize, but it just got windy. I got dirt flying in my eye, and it's crazy. So let me just talk about productivity, right? So I work a full-time job, 8 to 4, every day, Monday to Friday. And it's a busy job. It's a demanding job mentally. I do tech support. Oh God. So yeah, I do tech support. Stop. That's hilarious. Okay, Google, stop. So I turned on Audio Assist, and I said about computers. It started giving me a listing of computer stores in the area, which is cool. But I'm like, what? I heard a ding in my ear and away it went. So yeah, anyway, I do support. And it's software, it's not hardware. And it's mentally challenging. There's a lot of nuances to what I do, and I enjoy it. Way more than my last job, you know. Still frustrates me. I would much rather not have to deal with people much at all, but it's what it is. So I work 8 to 4 every day. I get done work, and I will usually make dinner, do something, go for a bike ride, go for a walk, whatever I've got planned. And then usually around 7 o'clock is when I will sit down to get to work again. And we'll start playing video games. Some days I record, some days I don't. But when I do record, I'll do a batch. I'll sit there for a couple of hours and I will record. I'll just play the game and record and enjoy it. And then I'll take a break between each episode and I will edit, render out the video and get it set up. And then we'll have at one point in the evening done between 3 and 4 videos. Get it all done, set it to upload. And since I don't have amazing upload speed, so I usually do it, takes a couple of hours. And then I get everything ready, schedule it, thumbnails, do all the whole shoot match for it. And as of right now, I have Monday to Friday scheduled to the end of October. And that also includes, I did Stray as an extra. That's been on as a second video for the last week. I think 1 or 2 more episodes left of that. But it's been good. You know, I'm happy with it. And I don't have any complaints. But I want to do more of this stuff, and that's why I got the drone and, you know, mounting it on the bike. I did get a little bit of bicycling footage. There'll be some of that again at the end of this. I like it. It's just a tack on right now. It's not quite where I want it to be, but it's getting there. I will eventually start doing more of what I want with this stuff. Busy spot, busy area. But eventually, like I said, I will start to do more focused videos on things that I want to do. I just got a lot going on in my head at the moment that I haven't been able to get around to some of the projects that I want to do, but they're coming. Fingers crossed. But yeah, looking to move out of the city, which is weird. Again, I don't know if it's going to happen. I'm just putting it out there, stating that I'm thinking about it, that I want to do it. But we will see. I've been looking at some places, found a couple of cute ones, and a little bit cheaper than what I'm spending now, which would be good. The cost of the move, though, I don't want to even think about that. It's going to be expensive. Anytime you have to rent a truck and get movers, it's like you got to think, what's more cost effective? A moving company or purge? And sort of, I don't have a lot of stuff, so we will see. But I'm going to end things here. I do want to thank you all for putting up with my shenanigans and my bullshit. Hello? And if you're wish me happy birthday, great, thank you. I appreciate it. I will try to respond to everybody's comments. I'm getting better at that too. But anyway, I will see you all soon in our next one. So guys, take care, everybody. Bye.